Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add Outlook holiday calendar. Open your Outlook app. There in the File menu, click on Options. Now we will go to the Calendar section. Then click on Add Holidays, which is located in the Calendar Options section. In this window, select the country where you are located or that you will use for the holidays. When you click on OK, you will see that each holiday is added based on the country you chose. Wait for this step to complete. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When finished, you will see that you have added the holidays in your Outlook account. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.